my name is Sophia Diffin, and I'm going to be testing for your range of motion in your glenohumeral joints, the humeral-ulnar joint, and the radial-ulnar joint. So first we're going to start out with the glenohumeral joint, and we're going to test shoulder flexion. So you're going to start like this, and you're going to just come all the way up, right? And that should be about 180 degrees. And then next we're going to test, so this is flexion, we're going to test extension, so come back down and then back as far as you can go, and that should be about 50 degrees. Okay, next we're going to test shoulder abduction. So same, start here in anatomical position, and you're going to go abduction, so it's going to go up like this to 180 degrees. Awesome. And then next, I'm going to have you do adduction. So this should be 40 degrees, so you're going to start like this, come across your body. Awesome, 40 degrees. And then, so those are all the glenohumeral joints. Then we have a couple more for shoulder internal rotation. So you're gonna start like this. In shoulder internal rotation, you're gonna just put your elbow down. So keep it up like this and then straight down. And that should be about 90 degrees. And same with external rotation. So external rotation should be 90 as well. Straight. Awesome. Then we have humeral ulnar joint. So this is elbow flexion. So you're going to start down in anatomical position and just come up. Perfect. And that should be 145 degrees. That's a good one. Then for the radial ulnar joint, we're going to be testing forearm pronation. So I'm going to have you go like this. And then pronation, you're going to just flip your hand. Perfect. And then that should be 80 degrees. And then 85 degrees is forearm supination, so you're gonna go like this. Perfect. There you go. Then, so those are radial ulnar joints. Then for the radial carpal joint, you're gonna be doing wrist extension. So you're gonna go like this, and wrist extension is so that should be 70 degrees, and you're gonna go like that. And then wrist flexion should be 80 degrees, which is this. Awesome. And then we only have two more. So for this is also the radial carpal joint. For wrist radial deviation, this is abduction. So you're going to go like this, and radial goes out. So that should only be 20 degrees. And then for the ulnar deviation, you're going to be doing adduction, and that should be in. Perfect. And that's 40 degrees. That's more than the radial. And that's all.